Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will act now. Secure admin access to your router and pick a device to run the DNS blocker. Install Pi-hole or add Guard Home on Raspberry Pi or Docker and make sure that device has a static IP. Once installed, open the web console and sign in. You need to configure upstream DNS servers so queries forward correctly. At this early stage, you are laying the foundation. Assign a fixed address, verify network reachability, and confirm time settings to avoid certificate issues. Now you fine-tune, import multiple reputable block lists, and enable their update schedule so ad domains stay blackholed. You should turn on query logging to spot false positives and whitelist necessary domains. This prevents breaking services. Next, change your DHCP server or router DNS settings to point all clients to the blocker, or push the DNS via DHCP reservations per device. Make sure to test a few devices. If something breaks, use the logs to identify and whitelist legitimate domains quickly. Finish by validating. Run nslookup or dig from a client to confirm queries, resolve through your blocker, and browse common sites to observe ad removal. Then enable auto-updates for block lists and export a backup of your configuration so recovery is fast. If problems arise, check for DNS leaks, ensure IP6 traffic is routed to the blocker or disabled, and flush client DNS caches. One key troubleshooting tip: if ads persist, reboot clients and router after changing DNS settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.